Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran business platform that keeps you updated with all the agri news of the nation. This is Jyoti Singh. Let's take a quick look how and why to start a dairy farm. First of all, we will know what is dairy farming. Dairy farming is a type of farming where people produce milk. This milk is made into different things like butter, cheese and more. In India, milk is really important. People use it for tea, coffee and many foods. People love sweets and treats made from milk all the time. Milk is needed a lot, especially during festivals. In India, making milk products like sweets, ice cream, butter and more is a big industry. It makes up about 4% of the country's money. Because milk is used in so many things like ice cream and cheese, people always want it. So having a dairy farm in India can be a good way to earn money. Let's know how to start dairy farming. So first we have research species and breed. The most common animals for getting milk are cows, goats, water buffalo. Each kind has different types and local knowledge can help you choose the best one. So here what you can do. Talking to government offices, universities and other farms for advice. Cross out types that won't do well in your weather. For each type, divide how much it costs to take care of them for a year by how much milk they can make. This helps you to make how much it costs to make each unit of milk. Second, we have decide on a food source. Using concentrated feed is easier but costs more money. When starting a new farm, you can save money by using a method called management intensive rotational grazing along with the feed. Here's what you can do. See how much it costs to rent land in your area and figure out how much pasture your cattle will need. Animals should eat about 4% of their weight in plants each day. It's good if your pasture can produce more than it's during the best season, so you can keep extra for the winter. When starting, it's usually better to rent and land instead of buying. Wait until your farm is doing well and you are more stable financially before buying land. So third, we have creating a breeding plan. Dairy bulls can sometimes be risky and costly to all year. A safer and cheaper way is to either pay for a bull to mate with your cows during breeding time or use a method called artificial insemination, where you help cows get pregnant without needing a bull around all the time. Fourth, we have studying farming practices. If you are new to dairy farming, it's important to learn about things like how to make animals have babies, helping animals give birth, handling waste, separating babies from their mothers and how to get milk from cows. Also, you need to know about growing crops for the animals. Farming takes a lot of time, efforts and knowledge, so make sure you are ready for it before you start. Fifth, we have find a good source for animals. Inspect all dairy animals personally before buying, including several milking tests. The animals should be healthy and vaccinated against the disease. Ideally, purchase the animals right after calving on their second or third calvation. Wait to buy second half of the herd until the first group is about to go vary, so your farm can produce milk year-round. People also think about the reason behind opening dairy farming. So even during COVID-19 lockdowns, the milk industry kept going because milk helps our bodies stay strong. Here are some good reasons to start a milk farm. Dairy farming doesn't rely on rain, so your farm can do well no matter it's dry or wet outside. You won't lose money if there is too little rain or too much rain causing floods. Milk prices have always stayed stable. Even if there's more milk than people want, the price doesn't drop. Dairy farming is a crucial part of many economies, especially in major milk producing countries around the world. The process involves careful handling and storage of milk to maintain its quality. In these countries, milk is collected from farms either in farm stands or cans or transported to processing plant using tankers or trucks. Modern methods such as pipeline system have been adopted in some places to efficiently deliver milk from farms to factories. Throughout this journey, strict quality control measures are in place, including test of fat content and bacteria, ensuring that consumers receive safe and wholesale dairy products. And that's all for today's news. For more updates on agri news, stay tuned with Krishi Jagran Business.